In Fun Toon Town, Nova notices a neon parade of glow snacks marching through the color lab filled with giggles and sparkles. Each snack tells a tiny fact about their world, from kelp noodles to starburst lemonade, safe and friendly around them. Nova helps friends arrange the parade with a rainbow rhythm, using bouncy transitions and cheerful sound cues for everyone watching at home. They discover a hidden shelf where forgotten doodles sprang to life, turning sketches into mini heroes on every wall. The crowd cheers as the sun fades, promising more curious discoveries tomorrow in this safe cartoon universe.